All right, so we made a new friend in our RV park in McDill, and him and her are really thinking about pressing the button on this particular Brinkley model. And I decided we would do a walkthrough and kind of do a look through, but here we are with Model G 4100 full body paint, and it is a triple axle, so it's a big boy.
All right.
So we got a toy hauler. And it has the usual good fit and finish that we've seen time and again with the Brinkleys.
Brinkley pull down utensil drawer.
Yep. And that, what is that, Renee? A microwave cubby or something?
Where's that?
Right there?
No,
yeah.
coffee bar. You got your microwave there.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh,
see, that's why she's doing the walkthrough.
Coffee bar, or it would be Greg's catch-all.
Yep. That's a good size fridge. It's probably a 12 volt, but I'm not sure.
Yep. Nice and cold too.
Yep.
18.6 cubic feet. I mean, you're full residential here.
Yep.
Nice and cold. We have the pull open little drawer for your sponges and everything.
Yep.
And they mix gold and black.
Yeah.
And I like this faucet for that it actually has black to it as well.
What do people think about that? I've heard a lot of comments about the mixing of the gold and black and the bronzes and black, I think.
Dual garbage cans, really great if you're gonna recycle, if you can. A lot of parts, it's hard to get your hands on any recycling.
Yeah.
That's your
cutting board.
Yep, cutting board.
Yep.
Utensils.
All right, so the fireplace is kind of a side shot towards like the main chairs where...
No.
Well...
You're actually wrong.
Okay.
Because here's your televator TV.
Oh,
so
okay.
That's going to be your preferable...
So it's across the way.
Yep.
To the main chairs right here.
Oh, she's fine.
Yeah.
But I like the size of the oven. You can do a turkey.
Yeah, I mean, it's an apartment on wheels.
Definitely convection microwave, like that as well. I love Brinkley's blinds. I would show you this one. Well, let me try. I can barely reach. But I love how they're fitted within. And you just come down.
Very neat and organized movement.
Here's your day shade.
That is nice.
So we're solving our blind problem. So you want to do half and half? We're solving our blind problem and going, I can't use my words today. I need some coffee. Blind problem with the day and night shades. Yep. Not exactly the style, but. All right, so I was wondering where this was. This is their magnetic knife. I'm not sure how I feel about specified areas and things, depending on the sizes that you have. I don't know. What's everybody think about that? If it's got a knife drawer or utensils. Here's cooking utensils.
If it fits, it ships.
Yep. Here's cooking utensils particularly, but yeah. The colors, I actually like the colors they're doing now. The couch colors. Table is bolted down. I'm assuming, is it a drawer? Is it a lift up? What does it do?
It probably has some kind of lift up. You push down and pops up. It's child proof.
Renee can't. Oh, I'm a child.
Yeah, it's child proof.
But lots and lots of storage. More of the recessed lighting. So I actually really like the garage flooring in these. I mentioned that in one of the other models.
I wonder if it gets dirt mashed into it and gets dingy though.
Well, it's grippy, but this is because these circles are more shallow than the diamond cut, like, diamond plate of the rubber.
Yep.
This, I know from mine, would be easier to vacuum and sweep for sure. Get a rug when you don't have a toy in here.
Yep.
That'll keep it clean.
So how many guys would actually try and use that without closing the walls up around it?
Never close the walls up unless you have the garage
It would just
open.
be my overly huge luxury bathroom here in the garage.
So if you're boondocking somewhere in the middle of nowhere and you have your deck down and everything's open, it is the throne, right?
Yep. And
pooping with the bears.
You got a loft up here.
That's great.
Yeah, and then a TV.
With another queen up there.
Yep.
So, yep.
And some kind of storage down here. Will it?
I would imagine it's probably locked, and it is not.
Okay.
So let's see what we got.
What you got down there? Okay.
Your ladder to get up, your telescoping ladder. It's 2 of them. So one is the hook over. They're probably both hook over for both things. This is on the hydraulic hinges, so that's kind of nice. And it's loud.
Yep.
All right.
It's got the
all-weather doors.
Oh, I like how it's got the solid LED light strip across the back. That's nice.
Definitely.
It also has an awning. And I always like this. I think every trailer should have double tail lights for safety, for when you have that flat tire where you got to pull off on the shoulder or something. Just more lights is better. Fan of the double tail lights.
Safety first.
Yep.
Very nice.
Let's go check out the outside now.
I did not check. Oh, we did check the bedroom, didn't we?
Yep.
Did we check the bedroom?
No, I don't think.
No, we came in left because there was
Okay.
people up there. Hang on. Before we go to the outside, let's go check the bedroom.
All right. So what do y'all think about the removal of dinettes that we're seeing now with the current trend?
No, you still have it. You can push it out or under.
Yeah.
So that's pretty nice.
All right.
Shoe
let's
storage?
Go upstairs. Yep.
All right, so bathroom. I'll let you go first. So there was a mention by somebody of the toilets, the lid.
No, it was a mention that for
Plastic
some reason,
lid.
yeah, Brinkley puts like not high quality toilets in.
Or not high quality toilet lids either.
Yeah. No, it's the
bowl's good.
It's the lid.
So I didn't notice that ever before, but yeah, that's kind of, why not a wood soft close
Decent
lid?
sized sink, about what you expect most of the time.
I like it. Me personally, as a reader and sometimes wanting a little bit of hominess, so a artificial plant, just one here or there. I like that little inset shelving there. And what does everyone think of the curtains in the bedrooms, the softening in the look? Is that what the purpose, to just kind of soften it up visually?
I mean, I'm sure people will use them. Probably.
And once again, Brinkley and all their caulking. I like the forethought of bump stops for cabinet handles.
Yep.
I like that. Makes me want to double check all of our doors and stuff and cabinets to see if they're banging and put some bump stops. So I did not check under bed storage. Four drawers.
All right, the drawers are cool. I like that where they're located.
I do.
Yep.
And then you have the dresser drawers as well.
Of course, the struts are calculated right for.
And they start off with a better mattress than a lot.
Yep.
Just a bamboo foam. Way
Yep.
better than what we started out with.
Yep.
So, very nice. This is what I really like.
This thing has a full Rockford Fosgate system in it. That is nice. Now, the thing is, how would you use it to its potential without getting kicked from the campsite or the RV park? I don't know, but it's a toy hauler, so you got those situations where you're out and can actually use it, of course. And it's got your pull-out tray. Yeah.
So I do really like Miss Laura here. We talked to her on Wednesday, and she just came and spotted it and recognized us again. So shout out to Miss Laura.
Yep. Those letters are super cool. The full body paint's really nice too. And then you get all this automatically on this rig right here, the side view cameras. It pretty much comes with everything. Oh! All right, so
Fridge/freezer.
All right, so we're gonna take a look real quick. Here, take my thing off. We're gonna look at the plumbing real quick.
All right, go crawl around,
All right,
Greg.
we're going in to look at the plumbing. See what we got. And they are correct. Brass fittings, real red and blue PEX, which is supposed to be, you're not supposed to intermingle flexible hose with regular PEX fittings, and they're not doing that. A full LED light strip for lighting in here. So plumbing is definitely nicer than most, for sure, and done correctly. 30-gallon tank, 30-pound tank, sorry.
I do that all
Sorry,
the time.
doctor.
Doctor.
Gen Y hitch. Let's see. Flex Power 5500.
Yeah. And for all the techies out there, here you take a look.
Yep. Lithium batteries come standard on it. Wow, that's cool. That's really cool. Okay.
And then here's your other one.
Yep.
On-demand hot water.
Okay, let me go back through here. She's a big, nice rig.
Let's see if we can find her.
Yep.
Greg, I found her.
Okay.
Laura.
Yes.
Before we leave.
Yeah.
Hi, how's it going?
This is Laura, like the nicest salesman we've
You're
met
so
in this
nice.
whole place.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Wednesday and today.
Yeah, I'll be here through Sunday. I think we close at 4 or 5. Come on down. I'll get you into your G4100. Make you the best deal.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank